So if you've watched any of the analysis of Donald Trump in court and his lawyer, Alina Habba, you would know that she is in over her head. She doesn't know what she's doing. Oftentimes, she says weird things. She's been scolded by judges before, and then she comes out and she rages in front of the press, which is what she did today. But a hot mic picked up one of those reporters laughing as Habba left the court.
Affront to the American Constitution, it's an affront to our judicial system, and it's an affront to every lawyer that cares about their license, that cares about what is right and wrong. I am sick of coming in front of the press and saying this, but you have to, because you people need to understand what is going on. God forbid you put an accounting thing in for legal counsel. It's legal counsel. And now our taxpayer dollars, my time, our attorney's fees, are all here because they're afraid of 2024. And you know what? They should be, because the American people are not stupid. They see what's going on. Thank you.
Alina, one question. Was Trump's family with you guys across the street?
While it's not totally clear that the reporter was laughing at Alina Habba, I mean, I was laughing when she said, oh, we're here because of that accounting thing, which is their whole argument. And she really doesn't get it. She also just, rages about this being an affront to lawyers everywhere and our judicial system, which is one of the ways Donald Trump likes to talk about this, that every legal scholar in the world thinks that this case has no merit, except for the judge he's sitting in front of and the Manhattan prosecutor.
Jonathan Turley, Greg Jarrett, Andrew McCarthy, every one of them saying they call it a zombie case, meaning it is no case. And they say, is it constitutional? They don't think the case is. These are all stories that have taken place over the last few days. Take a look.
Right, Don. So this idea that the Democrats are behind it, remember, Joe Biden is behind this, remember, that it's just one big overreaction, because why can't a guy just threaten and bribe a porn star that he cheated on his wife with to stay quiet so that he can win an election? I mean, what's wrong with that? Alina Habba is talking to the same people who wanted to kill Mike Pence because he certified the 2020 election. She's talking to the same people who want to kill Joe Biden just because he beat Donald Trump. And she uses this fiery language, which a guy set himself on fire outside of the courtroom and died because of the way Donald Trump and Alina Habba speak. They don't care if any one of the members of the mega cult dies, or if any one of those members of the mega cult goes after a juror or a judge or members of the prosecution, as long as Donald Trump is protected. Does the mega cult, do they need another reminder that they are pawns? That Donald Trump would throw each and every one of them to the wolves if it meant that Donald Trump was safe? It's all about Trump. And it's so sick and twisted that he cheated on his wife, paid off Stormy Daniels to stay quiet about the affair, and he did it so he could win an election so that he could continue swindling those people, and they still stick by him. They're still in his corner, rooting him on. And he knows that he's got him in this big cauldron, and he is just stoking the flames underneath it. It's so dangerous, and it's so dark, and it's so twisted, because they don't care if people die. They could not care any less. Now, I do want to end the video on a funny note, and that is that Alina Habba is so confident in her cooking skills when she shouldn't be, which kind of, mimics she's confident in her legal skills when she shouldn't be. She posted a video of her almost cutting her fingers off while she's trying to prepare celery. Now, if you don't spend too much time in the kitchen, Alina Habba in this next clip is doing everything wrong.
I just think it's so good. And it brings some moisture so it's not dry.
So what vegetables are we using?
We
Celery?
use celery and carrots.
Celery and carrots.
But I love these. I had to go to 2 different places because Joseph's didn't have
The
the
carrots.
chips.
Oh, the carrot chips.
The chips. So I brought 2 sizes, the chips. And then there's these little ones I'll throw in there too.
First and foremost, you got to bend your knuckles, right? And then you got to let the blade sit on your knuckles so that you can get nice, smooth, clean, even cuts as you slowly guide your hand back. And for the love of everything holy, don't look away from the cutting board, Alina. My goodness. Oh, yeah, I got those carrots over there. What are you doing? Oh, I think she's just setting us up. The trial's gonna have to be delayed because of some kitchen disaster that Alina Habba was in. That's all I can predict from watching this video. But again, Alina Habba, this person who is way over her head in the kitchen by simply cutting celery, is definitely over her head in the courtroom trying to defend the first ex-president in a criminal trial. Thanks for watching. My name is Brendan Plank with Reflect. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you get my videos in your inbox. And leave your reflections down below in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.